In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your Google Translate in Google Chrome. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser. Now, just go ahead to the top right, click on the three dots located at the top right. As you can see now, after that, just go ahead, scroll down and click on Settings. And just go ahead, click on Languages at the left, then scroll down. There you will find Use Google Translate. When on Google Translate, will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. So go ahead and turn it off. So this was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.